and DIY projects. And we're a part of the Sensational Six. And today we're making slime. My name is Akaya.
My name is Ari.
My name is Erin.
And let's get started with we have glitter, and we have clear glue,
And we have craft foam beads and wooden sticks.
We'll also be needing school glue and Borex. And let's get started with the video. So, I'm going to be making clear slime. Which one you will be making?
And I'm going to be making white slime.
I want to make clear slime too.
So, we'll go ahead and pull our glue. You got it? Need some help?
Yeah, I need some glue.
Okay.
Make sure to put water in it to get the rest of the glue out, because you'll also need water.
Okay. So, I'm not going to use like the whole bottle. Don't put a whole bottle in there.
Me either. I'm just gonna
Put some more in there.
She said that.
Okay, so I'm not going to put a lot.
Ooh, this guy is really
Got it? Well, you need some more. Just a little bit more. Okay.
I don't want my slime to
Y'all got a lot more than that.
What
But
else would
that's
I
how much I
need?
got. Then
We need
next,
the
Yeah.
or what?
next is our
I think I'm going to use the
Borex.
foam beads. I'm just going to put them in. Or should I stir them first?
so okay.
Okay, guys.
So next is the
the
Borex.
Borex. We need to stir it up.
Okay. So you like pour some. Okay, huh?
Okay. Then I get a little. Oh, okay. I know
It's
what
fine.
it then.
The spoon is only for dipping. The Borex is not for storing. You use your stick for storing.
What was that? Oh, no, to put some wood. Okay, I think I need some more Borex. I meant Borex, y'all.
It's coming together.
Yeah, keep mixing it hard.
I think I added too much.
No, just keep mixing. It's gonna form.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely need some board.
Okay, so I just got 3 spoons. You need some more?
Yeah.
To get all the glue, I think I need more too.
And I'm gonna mix it until like it's formed.
I only need 2 spoons.
Until it forms.
And I'm gonna put it on here, okay. Now we're gonna start mixing.
Ooh, mine's forming, y'all. It looks weird.
Look at mine. So sticky.
Okay, so you'll just keep mixing until that happens. But so you just gotta keep mixing.
I need help because I don't look at
You got it?
little videos that
Sorry, yeah, this one.
Mine's
I need more
No, don't use it. What you using? What you using next?
I don't know.
Okay, so just start. Ooh, sorry.
Mine is lumpy.
Start forming it with your hand.
Mine is lumpy. Ooh, I think I need some more. I didn't put much.
So I'm gonna start doing the same thing. Because my supply is working.
Now that one is sticky over the thing.
Mine is lumpy.
So
Look at mine.
I think I need some more Borex.
Mine just look like melted marshmallow.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep massaging it with my hand until that happens. So yeah.
Mine just looks like melted marshmallows. Until I add the foam beads though.
That's what I'm getting to. I'm getting the same thing.
Oh, did you?
Oh my god.
Did you add? Oh, yours melted.
I know, it
See,
looks-
you need some more. You know. Do I need some more of this? Cause
Borex,
I just
okay.
Borex. My hands are so sticky.
Okay.
Glue is everywhere. Don't, Kaya, don't mine just look like a melted marshmallow?
It really do. My hands are still sticky.
Oh my
And then
god.
Okay,
You know
so
what?
I need some more.
yeah, I think so. My hands
Is it all yours making that sound?
I don't
It
know.
sounds weird. Okay, mine's doing the same thing. It's like sticking to the stick.
Oh.
Okay, so
You need to put Borex on the stick too.
okay, so now I'm just starting massaging it with my hand. Cause I think
Okay,
it's
you
like
done with the
forming.
rocks? Yeah, I think I only need 2 more spoons this time.
So this how it's doing. Is there any?
Huh? Oh, you just need to keep kneading it.
Okay.
I can't mix this more, so I'm gonna use my hands.
Let me see.
Oh, mine's dry.
Make sure you put Borex on the stick too while you're at it. Because the glue might still be stuck to the
I don't know how to make slime. and my stuff is
Just massaging
dry.
like I'm doing. Like do this, knead it
Yep, knead it.
until it gets
But your hands gonna be glued.
better.
Jeremy.
Okay.
So we do it.
At least mine is somewhat coming together, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. So we just gonna keep kneading it and kneading it till like it forms.
comes
Yeah, it
better.
forms more better.
Mine don't look clear no more. It look whitish.
Mine's
Yeah,
clear.
that's what's supposed to happen.
Mine's still clear. I don't know why.
Okay, y'all.
If you
Mine's
add
forming
Borex.
better. Oh my God, Zeno, it's forming better.
Good. Mine isn't coming together. Mine is ripping, like literally ripping.
Zeno, yours is forming. Y'all look at hers. Zeno,
No,
show
it's
yours.
not. See? I got it.
Oh, I keep kneading it.
I tried that.
Okay, y'all. So this is mine. I think mine's really coming together more, but it's like more sticky.
Mine isn't. It really isn't.
Keep kneading, like do like me. Like keep doing this.
You might need some more Borex, baby.
Me?
Put some more. Yeah, put it back in the thing. Put some more.
You think I need some more than it was probably hard now.
Okay, y'all. So
Yeah, I
I'ma
need some
get-
more.
I'm gonna get some more, like a little bit more Borex.
Where's my spoon? Did it fall?
Sorry, where your spoon with? Hold
I
on,
don't
is
know.
that spoon? Oh,
Your
hold up,
spoon's
Zeno.
right here.
Oh.
So I'm gonna just add. Oh, y'all can see. I'm gonna add more. It's like 2 spoons.
I'm gonna
So I can
add
start
maybe
being, so I can
3.
be- so I can start being more.
It just went
Okay,
on.
so
Hey, I'm gonna need 1 more spoon.
I hope you know that you gotta get the rest of the stuff at the bowl.
No. Here we go. Well, it's just a thing.
mine's some
It's a thing.
snow.
Put it out.
Oh, I got my spoon in there. Oh, God. Let me get the rest of the stuff out.
My spot look a mess.
Oh, gosh. Something is dripping. I think I should take my spoon.
No, I think I need to make something else.
Mine's formed.
Mine is just burnt rubber.
Okay, maybe not.
Mine is burnt rubber.
I'm gonna
Make
just
it
add
some-
more glue.
And more glue.
Yeah.
water.
When it get hard,
Get some water there. Put some in the cup. Put some water.
so y'all, if
Put it back in
y'all
there
start
and
to
add some
get
water inside of it.
like,
It's fine, but
when it start to get like this,
that's
add
maybe
water.
all I need, and it's but yours kind of not working for me. It's working for everybody else.
So y'all see how I'm doing it now? Just keep doing it.
Now my stuff is getting soft. See,
Hers look better than mine.
yours is crunchy without even putting the
Borex
beads
water. They
in.
say you need regular water.
It really is crunchy. I can hear the noise.
It's just a glue, but
It sounds like the glue.
yeah, look.
Look at mine. Yeah, I think I just. It is more water.
Dude, yours looks better than mine. Look at mine doing.
And look what mine. Yeah, you.
Okay, so
This your spoon? Yeah, this your spoon. This out of the mine's right here.
okay, there go my spoon.
There you go. Stop.
So there go my spoon. Y'all.
I'm gonna just keep it in my hand and pour it in there. Like that. I don't think there's only.
Y'all must look like snow.
It really does look like snow. Like squishy
I don't know what
snow.
happened to mine. So I thought it was doing it good. I don't know if I add too much borax.
Yeah, I think I need some water. Yeah, I think I need some. Let me see. Oh Lord, baby, you do. Both of y'all
What?
need water. I know. See, let's make that crunchy noise, and not more. Ooh, at least I have a little piece of.
You just gonna put it on us, Danny?
No, put it in a bowl. Soak it.
I didn't know that. Here you go.
Oh, you need more than that. If you gonna soak it. Ooh.
I'm gonna try a little piece, just in case it don't work.
Okay. I would. It moves so much. Why I need some water. Get it. I need some water.
They're gonna use the water.
Look at the inside of my hand. It said, ooh.
Ew.
Thanks. Yeah, I need some more water. Just gonna let it sit in there for a while. Yeah, you need to let it sit.
Let it sit in there?
Yeah. It's gonna turn back into glue. But once it turns back into glue, then you can add more borax and you know. Yep, borax. See, Kaya's coming together, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Borax. Connected.
Oh. Connected. Hey guys, welcome back to Hey guys, welcome back to Session 6 and DIY projects. And we're a part of the Why are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to Session 6 and DIY projects. And we're a part of the Sensational 6. And today wait, I gotta bring some submission. I say to it for that. So make sure y'all